So we're gonna be going to the gym right now. These are our gym outfits. Kind of lazy, but we're gonna go to the grocery store after 2. We need to buy some stuff, and then I'm gonna make some dinner tonight.
You're gonna come down here and you're just gonna. What are you doing?
Bro, I'm trying to hold it together.
Pick me up? Okay, ready? No!
You've got Bobby Orange, mate. That stinks. You've been hanging around the bins too long. Oh, what is that?
That's the first one. When you do the dance, you got your arms going up? Yeah, use your arms. Stop! Relax!
Okay, now. Every month. So I'm gonna put onion in my armpit.
Babe, what you doing? Good.
What?
What is that?
Babe, let me just hug
Babe,
you. Let me hug